The secrets of the Egyptian pyramids. Imagine standing before the Great Pyramid of Giza, a colossal monument that has dominated the desert landscape for more than 4,500 years. Its sheer size and mysterious design have baffled historians, scientists, and adventurers for centuries. Most of us learned in school that the pyramids were built as tombs for mighty pharaohs. But here's the catch: inside the Great Pyramid, no mummies were ever found. No treasures, no funerary texts on the walls. Nothing that confirms the traditional story. So, what if this ancient wonder was far more than just a royal tomb? What if it was a machine and instrument built to harness forces of nature that even modern science is only beginning to understand? For centuries, the Great Pyramid has guarded its secrets. Its base covers more than 13 acres, made from over 2 million limestone blocks, each weighing several tons. These blocks are fitted so precisely that even a razor blade cannot slip between them. And yet, the builders had no cranes, no iron tools, and no advanced machinery. The accuracy is staggering. The Great Pyramid is aligned almost perfectly with the 4 cardinal directions north, south, east, and west, with an error so small that even today's engineers would struggle to match it. And here is something even more astonishing: the pyramid stands at the geographical heart of Earth's landmass. If you draw lines of latitude and longitude through it, they intersect more land than anywhere else on the planet. Coincidence or intentional design? Some researchers believe the pyramid was part of a much larger system, a kind of ancient energy grid. Its smooth limestone casing stones may have reflected solar energy, while the granite blocks inside, rich in quartz, could have acted like conductors, vibrating with the Earth's natural frequencies. In 2018, scientists at ITMO University in Russia simulated how electromagnetic waves interact with the Great Pyramid. Their conclusion: the pyramid can focus energy into its chambers and base. That's not myth, that's physics. At the heart of the structure lies the so-called King's Chamber, built entirely of granite. Granite contains quartz crystals, which generate electricity under pressure, a phenomenon called piezoelectricity. Some scientists suggest that underground water channels beneath the pyramid created vibrations. These vibrations could have resonated through the granite, turning the pyramid into a kind of massive energy resonator. Was it producing power? Was it a communication device? Or perhaps something even more mysterious, like a healing structure? The mysteries don't end there. The narrow shafts inside the pyramid align with specific stars: Orion's belt and Sirius. To the ancient Egyptians, these were sacred, linked to the gods and the afterlife. But maybe these shafts weren't only symbolic. Perhaps they functioned as conduits, channeling cosmic energy into the heart of the pyramid. Even its proportions reveal secrets. Divide its height by the perimeter, and you get a near-perfect approximation of pi. Compare its measurements with Earth itself, and you find ratios that mirror the planet's circumference. Could a civilization more than 4,000 years ago really have encoded such advanced mathematics in stone? So who designed it, and why? The standard explanation credits Pharaoh Khufu, who ruled around 2500 BC, but the lack of inscriptions inside leaves room for doubt. Some researchers argue that the pyramid's design came from knowledge passed down by an earlier, advanced civilization, one we no longer remember. Whatever the truth, the Great Pyramid forces us to ask questions that challenge everything we think we know about history. Today, when we gaze at the Great Pyramid, we're not just looking at blocks of stone. We're looking at a message from the ancient world. A message that says human potential is far greater than we can imagine. That the Earth itself holds energy waiting to be tapped. The pyramids are not only monuments of history, they are monuments of possibility. So next time you see a photo of the Great Pyramid, remember, you're not just looking at a tomb. You're looking at a timeless enigma, a structure that may have harnessed the forces of nature itself, standing tall in the desert, daring us to uncover its secrets. If you found this journey fascinating, stay tuned for our upcoming explorations into other ancient civilizations: China, India, Japan, and beyond. Subscribe now, and let's uncover the secrets of history together.